National President ka party badairu Menteri Rang Bhah kajalau konrad ke sangma hakasi palai lo ong bah hadien mloyo jingtep badan ke MLA ke NPP na Manipur ke baweng no na sarkar bayalam da BJP mardo loi kran bat ki halo ka te jingja habai daipet bat kamegal ya lo ong ba komu Menteri Rang Bhah umla bantuk lari ka Shuki Menteri Sarkar namar ka Shong haki party yano kinjiet ban simti ya ka Shuki.
This situation, of course, I've spoken to my MLAs also. This was triggered after the resignation of three of the MLAs from BJP. We are discussing with the MLAs and we will see how the situation goes. We'll take the decision the right time. So I think it's important that there should be continuous dialogue, continuous discussion and continuous process through which you resolve small issues before it becomes big. So there were concerns that were raised earlier. I guess I'm not here to blame anybody, but maybe they were not able to resolve those situations, as I said, and which led to the building up. But let's see, we're discussing, we'll try to see how to move. No, we are very clear in our stand as a party, as a MDA and me as the Chief Minister, that we have told all our partners that there is a quota for each of the political parties. And based on that quota, the numbers have been given to them. It will be the decision of that particular political party as to who would be the minister in that particular quota. And that is not something that I as Chief Minister will intervene, but it will be a political decision of the respective